out there, there are a lot of scammers, there are a lot of people who spam. They just call your line strangely. Sometimes you can be there, a number will call like 2 a.m. You call the person back, the person even says it's a wrong number, or there is a particular number you want to find out whose number is that. You can do this easily by just doing some simple steps, and you find out who is calling you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this and how to be safe about it, how to stay secure about it at the end of the video. So this video is in two folds: how to do it and how to protect yourself against that. So kindly stay tuned to the very end. So to find out the name of any contact, as I've told you, you just go to this website, KologSoftSMS.com. There are other websites as well that you can use, but this is the most common one. So when you come to Truecaller.com, what you do is you can download it actually, but if you don't want to download it, you just want to search. So I'll use my number to search. That is, I'm giving you my number in case you need my help. You can contact me. That's +233 55135 3200. And as you can see, you have to sign in first. After signing in, you see the name. So you can see my name here, my email down here. So that is it. You can search any number and you get it. But let me explain to you how this actually works. It's not because the company has licensed or has joined with any company in Ghana or the network companies. They don't work with MTN, they don't work with Vodafone to provide them with those details. This is what happens. There is an app called Truecaller app, and the Truecaller app works this way. When you register, you upload your contacts. You give them the permission to upload all your contacts. So when they upload the contacts on their server, anyone who joins, they upload all those contacts on their server. So anyone who is calling you new, in order to find the name, they walk through their server with the number of names, the names and the contacts that have been sent to them. And those are the names that they use to display out. So this is the name I stored. Actually, I didn't know of this website. This was, I think, when I was in level 100 in the university. When I was in level 100, that was 2018, that I registered an account with them. That's why they're able to get my email and they're able to get my full name. With my Vodafone number, when I searched that one, it was the name of how someone saved it. So this is how they get the names. It is actually how someone saved the name on a person's contact. And when you come there, you find the name easily. So I advise that if you do not want your data to be uploaded, to be visible to the public, you actually delete the app. But for now, if you're already on it, you can use it or whichever way you do. But you can also come and maybe actually suggest name and change the name. So when you put the name there, you can update the name. In case you want to fake the name, you can put a fake name or whatever name there to hide your identity. That's for your privacy purposes. So this video is just to tell you about this. Is actually working, and people can get these details and use it for a lot of things about you. So stay safe and do the needful. If you think you delete this website or you delete the app from your phone, it's your own mangana. Thank you for watching this video. Until I see you in other videos, I would like to say subscribe so that you'll be seen in those videos, and also hit on the thumbs up for more awesome videos.